Hello, students. I'm Josh Ochs, and I'm excited to come to your school in the future to teach you how to build your own brand and your own website. We're working with your school to do this with you. Now, here's what I need from you first. The thing I want to do, and in this class, and your small little assignment before the class, is to look at your phone over the weekend, over the next couple days, and to set aside any photos that would be great to put on your website. What do I mean by that? We're going to talk a little bit in this class about projects. And the big thing is going to be projects, purpose, and passion. You may not know your purpose in life, and that's fine, but there are projects you're doing extracurricularly. And that could be music, that could be a STEM education project, could be football, baseball, swim season, volunteering. What does that look like? Well, I want to show you kind of what we're building for students. This is Jasmine. She highlights on her personal website mechanical engineering, her projects, which are rockets, roller coasters, mousetrap, cars, and more, and her volunteer group. Now, Jasmine is a senior, but a lot of students are starting this in middle school. So this is for any age group. Jasmine has gotten her full ride scholarship to college and all this stuff. I'm not saying it's because of the website, but it is definitely something that sets her apart. So when she applied to colleges, they will ask her, hey, tell us about yourself. Well, she has this two-dimensional resume that she has, which is neat, but the two-dimensional resume is not enough. When they go to her website, they see this outstanding young woman. And colleges really want to know, what are you going to do on their campus with what you're given? And she shows them, I'm going to do all these neat projects. I'm going to bring people together. And so this is what, when she wants to answer that question, tell me about yourself, she can say, well, can you open up a browser? I can show you. So much easier. So she shows him, this is Gerard. His passion is biomedical science. His projects are water quality, conservation, and public service. So he's got his passion, his projects, his public service. I want to talk to you about projects. When I come to visit your school or do the video session with you, if you will, your school's going to set up a screen in one room probably, and a little webcam on top, and they're going to use the Zoom technology that we have, very easy. And I'm going to be able to see all of you, and we're going to use Google Sites to start this. And I'm going to show you how to set aside your projects, your passion. And your homework is to find an image you want to put above the fold like Gerard has. And then below it, as you scroll down, we're going to create a projects, a passion, public service. You don't have to do it like this. Yours could say volunteer work. Yours could say music. Yours could say anything that you want to do, photography, but a project that you're working on, meaning it's not the only thing you do. It's something you have that's fun, that could be for class, it could not be for class. Here's Brennan. He highlights his high school achievements, his career goals, his important projects, right? He started a little tiny business when he was 13, and he volunteers at a similar organization that I do, and he turns his passion into a career. Awesome kid. Here's Emmy. Emmy highlights her volunteer activities, her internship experience, and her travel photos. So for her, here's her volunteer work. If you volunteer somewhere, that is totally cool. She interned and then she traveled. She tells all that in her website. So as you scroll down, you get this right here. And that's what we're going to build for you. We'll build a little baby page for each one of these. If you want to do some extra credit before the class starts, set aside, go into your phone and heart or like or favorite the best pictures of the projects you're doing. Once again, anything you think a college would enjoy knowing about you, that is something we should put online. And what I want you to do is think about that and maybe write a couple paragraphs about it before I see you if you want. That way, on this, at Friendship Foundation, I do this. Write that out. At this, I did this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a little baby page for each one of those. And if you want to write out a little bit more, you can ahead of time. So you drag and drop it. We're going to build this all. It's super fun. It's super fast paced. We're going to do a couple sessions. If you don't have it all figured out, that's fine. We'll build your front page first, and if you can drag and drop, now we're going to log you in under your personal Gmail address because this all needs to be done. So make sure you have a Gmail address. Personal Gmail address is really the way to do this. The world's best districts agree with us. Even if the district doesn't want you to be there under your personal Gmail, we'll figure that out. But you want to own this so it lives with you forever. You don't want to tie just to the school. We're going to teach you how to Google yourself, and then come up with great projects that are extracurricular, and then how you're going to build a brand online. I'm excited because a lot of these different things are really going to help you shine online. So your homework assignment is just go find some fun photos, some group photos of projects, after school, family, photography, music, you name it. And then I'll see you soon. All you're going to do is set up your Google, log into your Gmail, have your phone ready. If you want to download the Google Drive app, you're welcome to do that. The Google Drive app, log in as your Gmail address, and then we can add photos to folders on there, and then we can import them into your site. It is an awesome time to be alive. We're going to do this together, and I want to help you shine online and build this for you. Now, if you're thinking, well, I'm too young to do this, I want to show you, first of all, here's mine. When you Google me, Josh Ochs, when you Google Josh Ochs, let's log out and do this. Josh Ochs, lots of good stuff comes up. You get my joshochs.com website first. Then you get a bunch of other ones we spent a bunch of time on. Here's my free one right here. This is the one we're going to build similar to you. Josh Ochs, and we're going to scroll down and build an easy one so they really get to know who you are. We'll make a couple pages for you. Super awesome, super easy. My nephew has one too. He's 5 years old. This is him. It's never too early to start just branding yourself online because people know a lot of information about us, and there's a lot of this is my brother-in-law, my sister, and that's when he was 3.5. He's 5 now, but this is his little website that we built for him. My dad and his little brother and his cousin, my niece, his mommy and his daddy, bicycles, his mommy on Halloween, all kinds of fun stuff. And he's starting to brand himself. I know it seems too young, but I just want to break through that barrier to show you everybody should have their home base, and it should link to their real Instagram account and so on. That way you find the Josh you're looking for and not all these other Joshes. That's my dream and my goal for you. I'll see you guys soon. I'm really excited to speak to you at your school in either a video chat in the classroom or in person, but I think this is going to be a video chat with you guys. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.